Hey guys, this is Sarah from Ara Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel. I did a full wear test of a $200 primer. Now if you ask, why the hell would you buy a $200 primer? Because I saw all of my favorite beauty YouTubers and beauty gurus ranting and raving, from Tati Westbrook, Jeffree Star, everyone. And I was like, okay, I need to try out this primer. So I wanted to get my full thoughts on this primer. So if you guys are interested in seeing a few couple day wear test clips and my thoughts on the primer, then just keep on watching. So I bought this primer at Nordstrom. That's the only place really that sells it in a store so that I could look at it. I did get a tester first before I bought it. So I already knew this works before I actually bought the big one. It's all about. This is the box that it comes in. It's called the Sisley Double Tenseur Instant and Long-Term. That's it. That's all it says in the front cover. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek. It does look luxe. It's not too heavy. And the benefits say online that this is supposed to give you a smooth, radiant, long wear appearance. It's supposed to make your skin look good over time. And if you really do know me, I do love skincare within my makeup routine. I really do believe that if you have good skin underneath your makeup, that your makeup's just gonna only look better because of it. So that's what really intrigued me about this, other than the fact that all my beauty YouTubers that I know and love and I trust ranted and raved about this product. So I was like, I'll give it a shot. So right now I'm going to show you guys a clip of my very first day wearing this product. I'm doing a wear test of the Sisley Double Tenseur Primer. So I'm going to do a few day wear tests, and I'm going to kind of do check-ins like this throughout the first day. I'm going to wear it about 3 different times, and then I'm going to do a compilation and a full review on this primer. So today is day 1, so wish me luck. I figured since we're reviewing a Beauty primer, we might as well review, well, I already know this is amazing. I've tried this before, the La Mer moisturizer. And I thought this would be a cool way to review the product, because like I don't want to just tell you guys that I've used it a few times and only have used it once. I want to show you a couple day check-in, because this is a very expensive primer and I thought it was worth the review. So it's supposed to tighten, brighten, lift, make you not look like you're tired at all or fatigued. So I'm excited. So this is the bottle. I'm scared. Oh, wow. Oh, so it's not? Okay, so this thing is weird. Nobody's ever mentioned this to me before. See, on here, I don't know if you can see that, there is, focus, there is no, like, direct opening. So but when you squeeze it out, it comes out. Do you see that? Like, it comes out easy. It's not like it's, like, pushing through something. It seals it so that none of it goes back. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to take a decent amount. I'm going to take a little bit more than that. We're gonna prime. Oh, it smells like skincare. Okay guys, I'm going to apply my makeup and I will do check-ins throughout the day and show you how everything's going on. Sorry about, I'm not in my studio, I'm in the actual bedroom, so I'm actually getting ready for my day. On those days, I only wore drugstore foundation, so I didn't like wear it with like a super expensive foundation. I really wanted to test it out and see, hey, can I wear this under any kind of foundation? Is it going to make everything look better? What's the deal? Like, what's the tea on this? And I'm going to get into the looks of the bottle. So whenever you open this bad boy up, I don't know if you guys can see, it almost looks like there is a cover on the top of it. It's not a cover. It seals the primer within the bottle so that you're not going to get any kind of oxidation of whatever is in here, and it's really going to last you a little bit longer. So I thought that was really cool. It's very, whenever, I don't even want to squeeze it out because it's so expensive, but I will squeeze out a little bit just to demo it for you guys. When you squeeze it out, it's a very milky type of color, and whenever you rub it in, it does become very tacky. And you know, watching a lot of YouTubers on primers that they like, because I didn't used to be a big primer person, whenever you have a very sticky consistency, your foundation really locks onto that. And I am going to say I really do love this primer. Am I going to spend $200 on it all the time? No. But if I have a wedding, for my wedding, or for a big event or something like that where I want my makeup to look absolutely flawless, this is something that you could reach for. It was $192. And yeah, I do think that's a bit ridiculous, but that is, I mean, it's hard to say. If you have the money to spend on it, go ahead. I think it's a great product. It is expensive. So I'm now going to let you guys view a clip of my second day wear test. Okay guys, so I put on the foundation. It is about 100 degrees in Florida right now. I just walked into my car, and if you live in Florida and your car has been sitting in the heat for no longer than 45 minutes, you know what it feels like when you try to sit in that car. It's like sitting in hell. Well, I guess you really can't see because I have my sunglasses on, but my makeup went on beautifully. I'm just wearing the NYX Total Control drops, and I'm actually wearing really light makeup. I'm also in love with this NARS Orgasm lip gloss. It has been rocking my world, literally rocking my world. I need to go get a coffee, and then I will be going to Costco to go pick up some stuff, and we'll do some more check-ins. I've had this makeup on for about 9 hours now, and my makeup is still really nicely settled on my skin. I'm super impressed. I will do a check-in tomorrow. I will do the same kind of video tomorrow, but right now I am like very impressed with the foundation. A lot of my other makeup sucks, but I mean the foundation, and I use like a drugstore like medium coverage foundation. It would have already worn off by now. Hey, this is going to be my final check-in. It looks lighter outside than it actually is. It's about 8 o'clock almost here. I don't know why it looks so light outside, but it really is 8 o'clock. And this is going to be my final check-in. This makeup has been on for, what has it been like? I put this makeup on around 8:30, so 12 hours. This makeup has stayed put. I just reapplied my lip gloss, but my eyeshadow kind of faded away. Now just like the brown is there, but I'm pretty happy with the way that my skin looks. What do you guys think? Makeup video this morning, like how to put on your makeup in like 5 minutes kind of thing. And I'm just like not feeling myself today. But my actual skin does look really, really beautiful. Like, that primer, you know what guys, I really think that primer really does work. Is it $200 worth your money? I mean, I don't know, but. Okay, so I let you guys see my second and my third day wear test because it's all the same kind of thing. It was pretty much generally me liking this product overall in general. I also said it's very, very expensive. So you guys kind of have to look at yourself and see, hey, do I think that's worth it or not? I can't really make that decision for you. It is a great product, it is just expensive. It does have skincare benefits for long wear use, and I do notice a great skin day and makeup day every single time that I use this product. I am wearing it right now, and I am gonna say guys, my skin feels super smooth. Everything kind of just glides on, and it does last pretty much all day long. I don't have any weird cracking whenever I use this. This does make my makeup look better than it usually does. So if that tells you anything, I hope you guys really enjoyed me reviewing like one kind of bougie product. This isn't like typically what I do review, but I was really interested because of the skincare benefits. Now let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do a full skincare routine and all that kind of stuff. I do a lot for my skin. I really do care for my skin, so let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you can see all of my newest uploads. I've been trying to do 2 videos a week, and I really do look forward to seeing more of you guys on my channel. You know, let your friends know if you guys do enjoy me. I am a new YouTuber. We're almost at 500 subscribers, where I'm going to do my second giveaway. My first one, I gave it to one of my like very first people that ever came to my channel. She actually was the only one who really filled it out properly, so she's the one who got the winner, but I am looking forward to I'll send it anywhere. So wherever you guys are, I'm just going to pick it at random, and I'll let you guys know when we reach that what the details and stuff are, but I'm going to stop rambling. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are and whatever you are doing, and until next time, bye guys.